In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the total price in Agoda. If you've ever tried booking accommodations online, you've likely encountered Agoda, a popular platform known for listing an extensive range of travel options. However, one common point of confusion for many users is finding the total price of a booking, rather than just the nightly rate. So, let's dive in and explore how to ensure you see the complete cost of your stay, including those often overlooked taxes and fees. First, when you land on Agoda's dashboard, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. You'll notice categories like Flight plus Hotel, Hotels and Homes, Transports, Activities, Coupons and Deals, eSIM, Travel Guides, and Travel Itineraries. There are so many paths you could take, but for our purposes today, you'll want to focus solely on the accommodation section. Begin by selecting your choice under Hotels and Homes, which is typically where most people start their lodging search. Now, an important detail to keep in mind is entering your check-in and check-out dates. This step is crucial because, without these details, Agoda can't calculate the complete duration of your stay. Inputting these dates helps the system understand exactly how long you plan to stay and ensures that any rate you see will be accurate for your time frame. It might seem like a minor task, but overlooking it can lead to misunderstandings about the total cost. Once your dates are set and you're browsing through potential accommodations, it's important to be aware of one of Agoda's default settings. The platform usually displays prices on a per-night basis. This is helpful for comparing nightly rates, but you might not get an immediate sense of the overall expense. Unfortunately, as of now, Agoda doesn't offer a toggle or feature that allows you to switch to showing the full price up front during the initial browsing phase. It's handy to know this limitation ahead of time, so you're not caught off guard. As your search progresses and you narrow down your choices, and before you move into the checkout process, make sure to scroll down to the Booking Breakdown section. This is the key area where the total cost of your stay is made visible. In this section, Agoda itemizes the complete cost, which includes the cumulative expense of all your nights, as well as any additional taxes and fees. Checking this breakdown is vital to ensure you're fully aware of the entire cost before finalizing your reservation. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to viewing the total price on Agoda. By following these steps, you can confidently book your next stay, knowing exactly what to expect financially. Remember, a little preparation can help avoid surprises and ensure a smooth booking experience. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.